Does your billfold look like mine? I mean, isn't that just plumb nuts? All month long, people are shoving receipts in my hand. When I go out to buy some bolts or nuts for a project or a job, if I take one of my clients to lunch, by the end of the month, I've got a basket full of these receipts. I can't remember what any of them are about, and my bookkeeper just plain flips out about it because I'm not job costing properly or tracking expenses. Well, I fixed it, and now here's what happens. When I walk out of a restaurant, if I take a client to lunch and I walk out of the restaurant, I look at the little yellow receipt and I crumple it up and I throw it away. And I never think about it again. And here's the reason I can get away with that. Because right before I threw it away, I picked up my cell phone and I dialed a speed dial number that I bought from MaxiMail. And MaxiMail, for a small amount of money, I think it's $25 a year, gives me a voicemail number. I simply recorded the transaction, and that's called contemporaneous recording. The IRS accepts that. So I record the transaction. I just went to lunch at Denny's. The bill was $15. I paid $20 total. I had lunch with Bob Johnson. We talked about the Tobacco Road project. I hang up. That's it. I'm done. And then look, here is what happens. Look at this screen. The voicemail turns into an email and it goes to my document management system called Delegation Magic. And then my little document technician, wearing a set of headphones, listens to the transcription. They listen to the voicemail and they enter the data. Now, normally when we name a page, it's 15 cents. To listen to a transcription, it's 30 cents. But can you imagine how much time I save every month not having to mess with receipts? And I have accurate track records. And when she's done entering the receipt, the dot will assign the work to the person in my office responsible for data entry at the entry level of bookkeeping. What a time saver this has been. I never find receipts in my sock drawer anymore. I never have anybody running in and say, what was this for? What was this for? And then I got to stop what I'm doing and look at this and try to remember. I don't remember. Don't you hate those moments? They've all gone away from me, and they can go away for you too. It's Casey Truby. Let's keep your cash register ringing.